Hello guys. Recently my laptop facing some problem, so I'm not online quite often. But on the other hand, that I try to register a Google Cloud account and then try to hang my character for working only. That's why you see that I'm not very active in the game, but you can see my character running around that for working purpose. So this video that I try to show how I how to create the Google Cloud account for you to uh, work, and then for you to hang in the market without your laptop or your PC 24 hours on, because this one is just a cloud PC. So you just need to have your PC on and then try to connect to the cloud, and then control your character or running around and then hang them to work. So after that you can disconnect them and then you can switch off your PC. So this is why that I'm using this one for recently 2 weeks. So I feel that it's quite convenient for those that who want to work and then who want to hang the character in the market for business purpose. So this video is from step by step, from create the Google Cloud account until the instant machine that install everything there, so you can straight away use it. So let's go. So first of all, that you need to use the Google Chrome and then try to search for Google Cloud. So then we try to click on it, Google Cloud. So after that you try to find the cloud.google.com. So let's go. So basically that this cloud account that is a free, but there's some commitment. So the free based on 90 days of your free trial or $300 your limitation. So once you use up either one, or you use up your $300 or you use up 90 days, and then you will need to pay the Google Cloud company that. So it depends on what account that you want to create. So yeah, so this is one that you need to remember: 300 credit for free or 90 days. You need to remember this one, else that you will need to they will charge you. They will charge you based on the system that you use. Yeah, based on the day you use, based on the month you use. So with that being said, then we just go to this sign in with your Google Cloud, sign in with your Gmail account. So this one I use the fresh Gmail, so for demo purpose. Then we try to see step by step. So after you log in, you will see here. Not now. Keep going. This one is account information. You just fill in your account information, and then continue. And then identify verification for your phone number. This one you need to have your phone number, your real phone number, because they will send the code to your phone and then you need to verify it. So I will use my phone number, then I enter my code that I received just now. Yeah, for here that payment information verification, so you need to fill in your your card, your credit card, your debit card, anything will do. Because personally, I got one real account already running, because my laptop got problems since 2 weeks ago, so already running. So this one that I will use the same credit card. So later I will encounter some problem with the verification process, because that I use same credit card for 2 accounts. Yeah. So after you fill in your address, everything, right, you just keep on press the submit. So last step will be your payment information verification. This one you need to proceed with the verification. So I think the first time that I use this credit card, that I don't have this option for me to do verification. I think this is because of I use the second time for second account. That's why I need the verification purpose. So after verification, you just press the start my free trial. Yeah, this verify your payment information. You need to take a photo of your credit card, or take a photo of your identity card, everything. So after that, just start your free trial. Go to this Google Cloud website and then try to sign in the account that just now you register. So for me, I will use this one, Fairyland Taiwan, and then log in with the Fairyland Taiwan password. Just confirm. So next one we need to go to the console. Yeah, we just go to the console. Yeah, and then you can see this interface. This is your this one is already original created. So the first step, you need to go to this building. So on top of your left, there's a building selection. You just select on it. Yeah, so this project has no building account. You need to link to your credit card just now. So that's why that after you do the verification, right, you need to link this account to your credit card. So that's why that you need to be careful. After the 90 days or after the 300 credit, right, you need to disable this building account. So that's why they won't charge you the amount. So after that, you need to create a building account, everything, right? So and then it will link to your credit card. So this is the credit card I used just now. Submit and enable you billing. Because just now I never do the verification, so it won't let you set up. So it will say that payment form error. If let's say that you continue, you successfully verification done for your credit card, right? It will say that it will link to your account. So after that, it's a time that we need to create our oh no. So this one I try to show you my current account, my current console that I'm using. So you can see that this one already building enabled. So this is a payment overview. Yeah, so this is the account, the credit card that just now I used to create the fresh account. So you can see there's a 652 remaining credit. Yeah, so I need to take note for this one. So once the credit finish or once 90 days reach, then I need to disable the account and then create a new one maybe. So okay, let's go. We go to create the new instance. we go to create a new instance. So this one actually is showing that your interface, your project interface. So currently I got 2 computer engine running, 2 instances. And then we try to, so we go to the computer engine. And then you try to find the VM instance on top, virtual machine, VM instance, yeah. Just click on it. So it will show all your project virtual machine running currently. Currently I got 2 running, and I will create a fresh one to show how to do the setting and everything. Okay, so you need to click on the create instance. Let's go. My line a bit slow. I'm not sure, is it my computer too hot or what? Either one. So I will just name my instance just anything, and then the server I will just use the Taiwan. The region I will just use the Taiwan because closer to the Fairyland Taiwan, right? So you choose the general purpose and series E2 machine type. Machine type, normally I will just choose the 2 CPU and 4 GB. So for the boot disk, right, you need to use the Windows Server. Operating system, Windows Server. And then use the 2012R2 data center, Windows Server. Yeah, this one will do. Because you choose the latest one, right, it will cost you more. For this 2012, right, just cost you around $67 per month. So you can create 2 instance, 3 instance, and then use for 3 months later on. That depends on you. If let's say that you want to fast processing machine, right, you can choose the 8 GB or anything. This one you just decide yourself. For me, I will just choose the 4 GB and then $66, $67. So I can create 3 instance, 4 instance, and then log in my character and then do some working or do some market selling over there. So it takes quite a while, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, now already done. You can look at the status, it's a green color with tick. The first step, we need to download the RDP file. Yeah, remote desktop file. Once you download it, you place it on your desktop for easy access. Save. Okay, you can see. Hey, my screen is half. Later I need to put it into full screen. So after that, right, you go back to the RDP, and then set the window password. So the username is like this, and then you try to click set. So you need to remember this password, because later when you log in, you need to use this password to log in. This is a computer generated password. So just copy it and then close. So everything from here already done. You just go to your desktop and then double click on this testing. So for this one, it also will take you 4 to 5 minutes to get it ready before you can connect to the remote connection. So you just try on. After 1 minute you try, after 1 minute you try, until it can let you connect to the remote connection. Yeah, you see, it's not ready yet because you just create the instance just now. So it takes some time. Yeah, not check. We try one more time. Yeah. So now here you need to enter the password just now. We copy, enter it, and then tick on the remember my credential. Okay, and then don't ask me again. Yes. So ta-da! This is the instance that new creation for Windows Cloud. But I need to pause the video for a while because this one is just a half screen. The recording just a half screen. So later I will pause it for a while and then I will turn it on to full screen. Okay, I will pause now. Okay, we'll come back later. Alright, now is the full screen mode. So once you log in, it will bring you to this desktop interface. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to go to this server manager, and then we will go to the local server. And the file, yeah, local server, and then go to this enhanced security configuration to make sure that it's off. Yeah, to make sure that it's off. And after that, we need to go to this Internet Explorer, try to install the Google Chrome. Run. Because if let's say just now the local server, the enhanced security configuration, you never turn it off, it won't let you install the Google Chrome, it won't let you install the Fairyland into this Windows server. So you, at the first step, after your virtual machine created, you need to go to the local server and then turn off the security configuration. So now the Google Chrome already installed, and then you try to do the speed test and check it out. How fast is the speed? As you can see, the Google Chrome platform, the IP address and the server side from Taipei. And wow, the download speed will be 430. Good enough for Fairyland. I think even though if you play the online shooting game or anything, right, or COD, right, I think this quite good. And then upload speed will be 1855. How come so high? Okay, so now we go to Fairyland and then install the client. Install the games. While waiting for the game download, so we need to go to Fairyland website. Try to download the never mind, this one just finished, then we proceed on with our installation first. I agree. Yes. This one I won't go into the detail, just a basic installation. I think all of you already done it. Then it's running, right? So we go to the question and answer, and then click the first link. After that, go to this virtual C++ download link, and then click the orange color icon. Just install both. Download and install. Okay, done. Then we still waiting for this to extract file. Then while waiting, we need to go to this region. Go to the control panel and then go to find the region. If let's say that your settings still under the English, right, you need to change it to Chinese traditional Taiwan. After you change, you need to restart your PC. I feel that it's quite slow, not very sure. Even though I choose the 4GB, 4GB. Maybe just to be patient. Actually, for the whole process, for this creation, from account creation, from the virtual machine creation until everything installed, if you do it nicely, it takes you less than half an hour. Consider very fast. Yes. Okay. So you don't launch the Fairyland first. Don't launch it, and then change the region to Chinese traditional Taiwan. Yeah. The fresh created virtual machine, the setting will be under English, US or UK, and then you need to change it to Chinese traditional Taiwan. Alright, after that you restart your virtual machine, and then next step, we need to go to this Fairyland folder and then try to find out the Fairyland icon and the login icon. Change the compatibility to Windows 7 and run this program as administrator, both Fairyland icon and the login icon. Okay, just log in with your character, password. Yes, and you can see the file downloading and then update. The first time will be like this. We try to do the second time. Second time will straight away bring you to the game. Yeah. So now we are in the game now. So I log in one of my storage character. So I try to demonstrate. Later I will turn off this virtual machine. It's not turn off this virtual machine, it's disconnect from my laptop. So we go to server 1. Most people already closed their shop because later going to have a server maintenance. Yeah. Then I'm selling this super teleport dust 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alright, and then you can see everything setting okay. So on top of that, I close it. Close it means disconnect. Close it doesn't mean you close the virtual machine. You just disconnect from the virtual machine. The virtual machine is still running. Yeah, you see, now I reconnect it, and then it will bring me back to this character. Now you can minimize it, and you can maximize it, and you can close it too. Close it means disconnect. If you want to connect it again, you just click on the RDP file. Yeah, it will connect you to this virtual machine. Your character will still on, so no need to worry. So from this way, that you can let your character work or selling in the market without your laptop or your PC 24 hours on. Yeah, this is the way that I use for these 2 weeks. This is why that you can see my character still online. Yeah. Other than that, you can go to YouTube, go to anything, any website that you want to watch movie or anything, right? Yeah, it's considered very fast for the internet connection. So with that being said, this is all that I want to share. So hopefully everything is quite simple and easy. If let's say that you got anything question, you can let me know, and then we will discuss about it. Okay, see you.